In today's fast-paced world, innovation is the key to success. But how do we ensure that our projects not only meet their objectives but also resonate with our target audience? The answer lies in a powerful approach called design thinking. Design thinking is not just a buzzword. It's a mindset, a process, and a toolset that can transform the way we approach challenges and design solutions. Let's embark on a journey to understand how design thinking can elevate our project outcomes. 1. Empathy, walking in their shoes. It all begins with empathy. Deep empathy. By deeply understanding the needs, desires, and challenges of those we're designing for, we can tailor our solutions to be more impactful. It's about seeing the world through their eyes. This involves conducting interviews, surveys, and observations. The more we immerse ourselves in their world, the better our solutions will be. 2. Define. Clarity from complexity. Once we've gathered insights, it's time to define the problem. This stage is about synthesizing information to pinpoint the real challenge at hand. It's about turning ambiguity into clarity. 3. Ideate. Unleashing creativity. With a clear problem in mind, we move to the ideation phase. This is where creativity shines. Brainstorming sessions, sketching, and wild ideas are encouraged. It's about quantity over quality, knowing that the best solutions often come from the most unexpected places. 4. Prototype. Bringing ideas to life now, it's time to get a little more tangible. Prototyping is about creating a physical or digital representation of our ideas. It doesn't have to be perfect. It just needs to convey the concept. This allows us to test, refine, and iterate quickly. 5. Test. Feedback is gold. The testing phase is absolutely crucial. By putting our prototypes in front of real users, we gather invaluable feedback. We learn what works, what doesn't, and how we can improve. Remember, every piece of feedback is a stepping stone to excellence. Design thinking is iterative. We often loop back to previous stages, refining our understanding and solutions. It's a dynamic process that ensures our projects are user-centric and effective. Benefits of design thinking. So, why adopt a design thinking approach? Firstly, it fosters innovation. By encouraging diverse perspectives and out-of-the-box thinking, we are more likely to discover groundbreaking solutions. Secondly, it ensures user satisfaction. By centering our projects around the user's needs and feedback, we create solutions that truly resonate. And finally, it reduces risks. By testing and iterating, we can catch potential pitfalls early, saving time, resources, and ensuring project success. In conclusion, design thinking is much more than just a methodology. It's a philosophy that places the user at the heart of every task of every project. By adopting this mindset, we can elevate our project outcomes, ensuring they are innovative, impactful, and truly meet the needs of those we serve. Embrace design thinking, and watch your projects soar to new heights. If you enjoyed this video, please hit the like button and subscribe to the channel for more PM tips.